What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another R9T specialty video. And today we are here in San Francisco, as this great Stradman would say, chasing views on views, baby. We're at the Golden Gate Bridge. The R9T is in the back of the Super Beast, and we are heading over to CRG Levers to get custom levers built for the R9T Racer. Super excited just to kind of give you guys a little view of the R9T. White is going away soon, so you'll have to stay tuned. Eddie's getting his new spot, so I'm super excited to be able to take you guys to Eddie's new location. But look at this Golden Gate Bridge, folks. We're about an hour away from San Francisco, but Super Beast is looking clean. Eddie's got this thing looking nice. Look at the wide, look at the girth on this thing. Stradman, I'm sorry. Girth Nation, chasing views on views. I love that guy. So let's get over to CRG. Now, they're not going to allow me to film in the facilities, so we are going to have to kind of wing it. So we're going to do kind of this is kind of the pre-drop off, and then we are going to do a pickup, and we're going to do a little street ride with the R9T and tell you guys what we think about these CRG levers. So let's get this thing dropped off, and next time I see you, we'll have it picked up. And I believe we're dropping off the new Tiger 1200 to them when we pick this up to get levers on that thing. So stay tuned. So next time you'll see me, we'll be picking this thing up. What's up, everyone? So we are back here at the CRG Secret Lab in San Francisco, and they have been kind enough to let me film a little bit of how these levers were made. So first of all, thank you guys so much for doing this, and the bike looks absolutely rad. So can you guys kind of maybe give me a little walkthrough of what you guys did without too much?
Want to start? Or? Yeah, I can jump in. So no, thank you, Bill, for lending us your bike for the last week here. So you know, for each application that we launch, we need a bike to test our lever fitment, our aftermarket lever fitment on. And so what we did is we have a testing procedure for both the clutch and the brake side. Okay. Pretty much get a reference off the OEM levers that were on the bike, and then go through the same testing procedures with our CRG levers. And everything checked out, so this is an approved application for this bike. So show me here on the bike. So on the lever, so obviously we have clearly the levers, and then we have, I call them the perch, but they're called... We call these the rockers. The rockers. So this black block in here, we refer to as our rockers. And that allows our lever to fit in the OEM perch of the bike. Got it. So the levers are pretty universal, right? So this is just like one lever essentially. Correct. Long lever with the dial. And then what you guys needed was to be able to make the rocker, right? Yeah, we were making sure that this rocker properly fit in this perch. Got it.
Yeah, so this is the RC2, and it really is an iteration on a lever that was designed way back in the early 2000s, even late 90s. And part of the secret sauce of it was to come up with a basic adjustable lever that has that clicker mechanism that allows the guy to adjust the levers on the fly, and for a variety of reasons. Different conditions, if they're start getting a different level of fatigue in their hands. Yep. So those common items that are unique to the Roll-A-Click and the RC2 is really kind of the heart of the product. Now, what's really special about the product and what's made it really applicable for so many different bikes is that design that has that piece that we've talked about, the rocker, and that's really the magic about being able to put it on all these different bikes. And so it's really great is when we get to work with guys like Bill or the other customers that are candidates that let us let us fit our levers to the bikes, and we've been doing it a long time. And we got a procedure that goes down that Bill's been so good to let us use his beautiful R9T to get this bike available for the RC2s now. So I think that I'll say it. I think we're calling this one good to go. I think we're calling it good. Yeah.
Well, I have to give them a big shout out because they actually gave me a little bit of a surprise. They don't just make levers, they actually make bar end mirrors. And you guys have seen a bike with bar end mirrors, but the attachment, and I didn't like them. So they surprised me with a set of bar end mirrors. But so I actually found you, a friend of mine, got me in contact with Paul because Paul is looking for bikes. They constantly need to. Well, guys, sometimes things happen to our equipment as YouTubers, and we find ourselves in a predicament like right now. Our microphone actually died during the end filming of the CRG factory, so I do apologize, but I just really wanted to let you guys in on kind of what we talked about, because I think it was very important and it's very nice of the guys over at CRG to be able to offer this to customers. So, you know, I found out about the CRG program through a post online. Hopefully you guys will find out about this program through me. And this is kind of how the community, again, builds. But what we were talking about is, you know, the CRG past and where they've been and where they're going. We know that the sport bike market is changing, so they're looking for more bikes like the R NineT Racer. They're looking for more adventure bikes like the Tiger 1200. So they're looking at a lot of different bikes to accommodate different markets, and in the motorcycle world, not just the sport bike world. They do offer things like the bar and mirrors. I'll show you the bar and mirrors that I was pleasantly surprised to find out that they added for the R NineT Racer. But we, you know, so what they do is their program is you know, if you're local to the Bay Area and you can get them the bike and let them use your bike for the fitment to get everything fitted well for the levers, they give you a set of levers and stuff. So it's a very nice program. I mean, $200 set of levers. You know, they had the bike for a week. It was going to sit in my garage. So it was nice of them. So thank you guys for allowing me to let you guys use the R NineT Racer. So let's take a look at the R NineT Racer and see, first, again, a look at the RC2 levers. Super, super nice. Very well constructed. I like the, you know, the placement of this. And so we're going to be on the ride, and we'll see how this adjusts for our hands specific. But again, they also included a set of CRG bar end mirrors, which was super, super cool of them. So thank you guys for that. It really kind of makes it kind of completes the R NineT Racer. So very, very nice. I love the way it looks. We've got the bar and mirrors on the MT-09, but this is a little different look, and I love them. You know, they fold in very nice. So it's just that extra little bit. So we're going to be going out on a ride today. Bogna's got some new bits on her MT-09. I will tell you that video is coming soon. And we finally have, not to take away from this, but we finally have the exhaust for the R NineT. So stay tuned for more videos. But today we're going to be riding this, and we're going to get the adjustability and see how these levers feel. But they just look, in the construction of them, you know, to be able to give you a bar end that if you do drop, to be able to replace the bar end is pretty innovative. So I got to say thank you for everything, CRG. I appreciate it. And if you guys are local to the Bay Area, please give them a call. Paul is the person involved in that. But let's go out on a ride and let's see how these things perform and how they feel in the hand out on the road. Well, guys, we're out here on the back roads by Lake Berryessa. Actually, Lake Hennessy is right behind us, and we are on the R NineT Racer. After getting it back from about 2 weeks over at CRG for the levers, and I have to say thank you, huge shout out to CRG for the for the levers. I love them. They're great, comfortable. They're in the right positions. The dial. So these have the dial here. This is the SC2, and the dial is right at the index finger. It's very nice. It's reachable for me. I have a little longer, longer reach, but it's reachable that I'm able to dial this up and down very comfortably right here with my index finger. So hopefully you guys can see that. So very nice. Like I said, the construction of these things, to see that the bar end is pretty much replaceable is just, it's amazing. So CRG levers, very nice. Now I do want to give a huge shout and a quick minute to these mirrors, because I've fallen in love with these mirrors. I've had bar end mirrors on here in the past. You guys have seen them, and I wasn't too keen on them. These are the mirrors for this bike. So if you guys are interested, hit up CRG and they can tell you the combination to get these mirrors to work, because there is a finagle with the bar end on the end, but these mirrors, spot on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tour that we took with CRG of basically their fabrication lab. And if you guys do have a bike and you guys are looking for levers and you're local to the Bay Area, hit up CRG if they don't have them available, and maybe they'll use your bike as a prototype like they did for me. So thanks again, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful CRG video, and again, special thanks to CRG for inviting me out and allowing me to tour your guys' amazing lab and getting me these levers, because I absolutely love them. So thank you guys. So next video, hopefully we'll have some, if you guys hear the ruckus in the back, the Two Bros exhaust is on, so stay tuned for that video. But if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. That's important to us here on the channel. If you guys have any questions about the CRG, please comment down below, and I'll do my best to get them answered. But all of the links in the description are down below. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.